Hey guys, Super Foxy Mulcher, welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see for the title, we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers. But for the thumbnail, there's always something, there's something different being shown too as well. But anyways, update. I created myself a new Instagram account. So a while back on Instagram, I created myself a account and prior to my YouTube channel. But if you haven't already watched this video, then you should probably go watch it, but there's a reason why it says closed. Go watch the video real quick and then come back here. But in the meantime, though, I created myself an Instagram account that is no longer up, and then afterward, I created myself an account and prior to this video right here. And after a while, I'm talking about this account. After a while of posting some random stuff on here, I became inactive. And since I still had the account up on my every single devices, I decided, you know what, I'm no longer going to be posting on this, so I might as well just dip out on it, because, you know, I had better things to do. So, before I actually removed this account from all of my devices, I marked it down as an abandoned account. The first time I ever posted on here and created the account was on May 6, 2018, and then continuing on up, the last time I ever posted on here was, I want to say 4 months later. Yeah, it was 4 months later, on August 30th, 2018. But, you should go follow it anyways. Not like it's really active or anything, or it has anything you should really worry about, but go watch it anyways. In the meantime, though, I have created myself a newer account since I couldn't really log back into this. Luckily, I marked it down as abandoned. I forgot the password. But, in the meantime, I've created myself a new account. Go follow me. Just go follow me real quick, and, after you get done doing that, come back into this video. Like, just click off this video, go follow me on Instagram, and just come back. But by the time you follow me, and if I already have posts on there, then yeah, that's how you know I'm active. But in the meantime, let's just get done with this Subway Surfers video. Ooga booga! Anyways, so before I started filming this video, I kind of played the game a little bit, since, you know, it's been a while and I wanted to get back into the hang of it a little bit. I mean, it's probably only been like 30 minutes of me playing this game. So, yeah, as you can see, I'm not the same dude as I was when I first started the game, you know, the regular, default Jake character. Literally the main character of this game. You know, there's Core Crew, there's Dark Outfit, and then there's the Star Outfit. There's Daniel, then there's the Cooler Daniel, and as you can see, I'm the Cooler Daniel. But, also, for whatever reason, it's marked as a, Vikings holiday, I want to say. The Copenhagen, I think that's how you pronounce it. And, since it's been a while, I think they kind of been updating the game a little bit, so, you know, that's fun. But, in the meantime, I have a reward right here from playing the game, so we're just gonna ignore that. And then we're just gonna, start the game now. If you don't know what this game is, you should probably go play it. And if you don't know this game, you're probably really young then. But even still then, I kind of expect you to know what this is, because the game was really popular at one point. But I'm going to be honest. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I think this whole thing is kind of like... Oh, I thought I was going to be able to jump up there. But, this whole thing of me playing, like, little running games, there's, Sonic Dash, Minion Rush, Temple Run. I don't know what else, other games I've played besides, you know, right here, and related to running games, but, this is kind of like a series, but each time is different, and it's not always the same game. So, yeah, that's fun, but, in the meantime, though, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I know I usually say it at the end of my videos, but yeah, we're just going to run on through. Let's see how far I can get while playing this game, you guys, without dying. It's probably gonna be like a freaking 2-second rush like thing until I like die, but you know. I suck. But for the video, my goal is to go as far as I can without dying, like just as right now. And long story short, if you haven't already figured it out, I have a hard time playing games while talking. So if I don't talk for the majority of this video, then you know why. See what I'm friggin' talking about? Well, at least I got a hoverboard. Alright, let's try this again. But this time I'm going to try to stay silent because while playing a game, if I talk, I'm either going to... That's going to happen, or I'm going to get completely distracted even though I'm focused at the same time. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. Have you ever just been playing a game and, like, you get really distracted even though you're, like, focused at the same time? Well, if so, that's literally my problem. And not only that, I have a hard time while playing games if I'm, like, talking because I'm doing two things at once, and I'm trying to focus on what I'm saying while I'm playing the game, so, yeah. Gotta run. Hui. Oh, acid reflux. Oh, acid reflux again, Jesus. I need to get that checked out. Okay, every time I go to jump for, like, the moving trains, like, and once again, I did it again. But every time I go onto a jumping, or every time I go to jump, Jesus Christ, I'm stuttering. Every time I go to jump onto a train that's moving, like I'm running on moving trains, and I go to jump on the next one that's moving as well as the one I was on previously before it, I get super anxious. God, it took me forever to get that out. Why am I like this? Well, at least I got 2 points there. Or double points. You know, I'm gonna turn up the music a little bit. Oop, my bad. Why is this so hard? The game should not be that hard. Let me just... Alright, seriously though this time. Continue on running without being a pinhead. Usually when I make videos like this, I don't ever really talk through them because I'm trying to focus on them. But even still, then I'd probably die off because I suck at games. What the heck? That just lagged out on me, bruh. What is the issue? What is the actual issue? Okay, seriously now, let's see how far we can get. But yeah, instead of it actually being the normal theme music for the game, it's the theme song and Viking music mixed in along with it, I guess. As you can see from what the theme is right now at the moment. This video has been recorded. Whew. Thought I wasn't gonna make it there. Alright, now to turn it down. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Give me that. I'm gonna go do that. Why did I do that? I keep saying that I'm gonna stop talking for the majority of the video, or I wasn't going to talk for the majority of the video, but I guess I'm just weird like that, apparently. What's wrong with me? Right now, shh. I'm going to stay silent, or at least make attempt to staying silent. I will no longer talk from this point forward. Well, I can't promise that, actually, if I'm being honest. Hui! Hui! Sometimes I make random noises when I'm playing a game for, like, sound effects if I start getting bored out of it. Or bored of it, you know? It's like, okay, I'm entertaining myself, jeez. Even if it's for a video, but, you know. Oh. Hippity hoppity boy. I go yeet. I go yeet. Yeetus fetus. Wait. Let me go up here. Thank you. Roll 30 times. Yee. I've completed a mission. Oh, I missed that. Nay. 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 Well, I just got anxious. You know what? Screw that. I used up my little key thingy for the reason of me not wanting to die yet. I want to make my high score go higher than it is right now. But as you can see, as I go through the game, the further I get, the more faster I run. Sorry about that. Gotta stay focused. Well, that was hot. Did I at least get a higher score? No, I did not. Sadly, I did not. We're gonna try it one more time to see how far we can get. I got the cappers on me. Oops. No. Bruh, I really thought. No, I swear. This time, I didn't really get that far with this. Because I was being stupid. This is the last time. Then afterward, I done doing the video. And I go delete this video and find another running game I could play for this little series. You know? Yeah. Just grab that buoy right there, whatever that thing is. Whoops. Also, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be making a Mirage Realms episode. Oops. Okay, seriously though, guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Like I was saying before, if you haven't already though, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down in the comments below video ideas. I might not take them now, but because I'm on a upload schedule. But seriously though, give me some video ideas. Maybe I'll take them later on as soon as I'm finished with this little upload schedule. Go follow my Instagram account. I'll be posting some stuff on there. Not really sure at the moment yet. Might be updates, just random stuff, something to do with videos, just anything. But seriously though, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!